Hello guys, welcome to SLA tutorials. In the previous videos, we have seen sequential execution, conditional statements and iterative statements. Now, in this video, we will see jumping statements. These jumping statements are used in loops. The statements are used to stop, jump or exit from the running program inside from the loop at the particular condition. The following are the jumping statements: break statement, continue statement and pause statement. We'll see one by one. First we'll see break statement. The statement stops the execution of the loop when the break statement is used. We'll see one example. Program to print numbers from 1 to 10. I will take a variable name a for starting value is equal to starting value is 1. I will take another variable name b for ending value. Ending value is 10. Here I will use while loop. While space. Here I will take condition as a less than or equal to b and colon. Press enter. Here I will print a values. Print of a. Next I will increase a value by 1. For that I will write a is equal to a plus 1. Save the file and run the code. We will get the output as numbers from 1 to 10. This is normal program without using break statement. We'll see program with break statement. Here this code is for printing numbers from 1 to 10. If we want to break the code at the end of the fourth iteration, means we want numbers from 1 to 4 only. Then I write inside the loop at the end. If keyword space a double equal to 5 condition colon. Press enter. Break means when the value of a is 5, then the condition will be true. It will enter into the loop and executes the break statement. It will terminate the loop and exit from the loop. We'll see by executing. Save the file and run the code. Here we got the output as 1, 2, 3, 4. Because here a value is printing in every iteration. In first iteration it prints 1. Second iteration it prints 2. Third iteration it prints 3. In fourth iteration it prints 4 and increases value a by 1 value. Means a value update to 5. After print statement we have if condition. Here the condition is a double equal to 5. Means 5 double equal to 5. So this condition is true. It will enter into the block and executes the break statement. This break statement will terminate the loop. So we don't get numbers from 5 to 10 because this loop terminates at fourth iteration only. It will not repeat after termination. This is about break statement. Next, continue statement. This continue statement is used to skip the current iteration of loop. We'll see one example. Here I will take variable name a is equal to in double quotes SLA tutorials. I will take for loop. For space. Here I will take variable name as I space membership operator in space a colon enter. In this block I will print I values. Print of I. Now save the file and run the code. We'll get the output as SLATUTORIALS. This code is without continue statement. Now I will use this continue statement above the print statement in for loop. If space I double equal to character a colon enter. Here I will write continue statement. Now save the file and run the code. We will get the output as SLTUTORIALS. See the difference between the output without continue statement and with continue statement. In the case of without continue statement, we got the output as SLA tutorials. But in the case of with continue statement, we got the output as SLA tutorials without A characters. SLTUTORILS. Because in the second case, we use continue statement when the variable I value is equal to character A. So it skips all A characters. That's why we got the output without A characters. This is about continue statement. Next, pass statement. This pass keyword is used to execute nothing. In the last code, I will remove the continue statement and I will use pass statement. Save and run the code. We'll get the output as SLA tutorials. We can get the same output without pass statement also. In the future, if there is an use of any condition or statement, then we use this pass keyword. If there is a requirement of condition or statement in the future, at that time we remove this pass statement and we'll write the required statements accordingly. This is about Python pass statement. Now we completed with Python control structures. If you like the video, please click on like button and do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.